So welcome to 27-2 Phillips Road in Norwood, Massachusetts. Just looking at Phillips Road there. And from the balcony that's on the second floor of this 2-bedroom apartment in Norwood. This is a coat closet in here, behind the, there we go. And then we'll pan into the living room. Nice big living room with a window seat. Good place for large couches, obviously. Opens directly into the dining room, which is adjacent to the kitchen. Big windows on the dining room. Walk back into the kitchen. It's recently being remodeled, it looks like. Lots of cabinet space. Big fridge, and at the end of the fridge there, a washer dryer, just opposite the second means of egress. Gas stove, lots more cabinets and workspace, good stainless steel sink, and dishwasher. As we go off to the left here, straight ahead is the bathroom. Big tub, medicine cabinet, vanity, and toilet, low flow toilet. Back off and take a right into the larger of 2 bedrooms. Very good size. This is a double bed, but you could easily fit a king size bed in here if you wanted to. And then right across the hall for the vestibule from the big bedroom is a slightly smaller bedroom that is now serving as a kid's room. Little TV there. A second story bed with a slide and then a large storage closet, actually. And that concludes our tour of 27 Phillips number 2. Thanks very much.